Get ready to rewrite what we thought we knew about human history. A mind-blowing discovery in Africa is turning everything upside down. Imagine humans didn't just start from one single spot, but actually had multiple routes spreading across the globe. This revolutionary idea has scientists buzzing and us wanting more. Let's dive into the incredible story of Nyanga, a hidden gem on Lake Victoria's shores in Kenya, where ancient secrets from 2.9 million years ago are finally being uncovered. Buckle up. This ancient African site is sending shockwaves through the scientific community with an astonishing find. With the oldest stone tools ever discovered, dating back to the old Owen toolkit era. Imagine having the earliest blueprint of our Stone Age ancestors' innovation, simple yet powerful stone flakes, for daily survival tasks like food preparation and crafting essentials. But that's not all. These ancient tools are revealing a game-changing twist in human history. Evidence shows early humans used them not just for plants, but also for something way more unexpected: butchering hippos. Hold onto your seat, because this challenges the long-held idea that our ancestors primarily lived on a plant-based diet. Here's the rewritten script. Get ready for a major shift in our understanding of early humans. For ages, we thought that Stone Age folks were mostly plant-based eaters, gatherers relying on fruits, nuts, seeds, and other veggie goodness for survival. This notion was built on evidence showing stone tools used for processing plant materials and heaps of plant remains at ancient sites. But here's the twist: our ancestors weren't just munching on greens. The discovery of these ancient hippo butchered stone tools flips that script entirely. It suggests that early humans not only consumed meat from big animals, but actually hunted or scavenged them for food, a capability we didn't think they had until now. This changes everything we thought about their protein needs and how our diet evolved over time. Here's the rewritten script. Buckle up, because this discovery is about to flip our understanding of early humans on its head. We used to think that our ancient ancestors were mainly plant-eating gatherers, but these findings show that they were way more than just veggie lovers. It turns out they were actively hunting or scavenging massive animals like hippos for food. Talk about a major upgrade from gathering berries. This new evidence reveals that early hominins had impressive hunting skills and a level of coordination, strategy, and understanding of animal behavior. We're talking complex problem solvers here, not just passive scavengers. And if you thought it couldn't get any wilder, wait till you hear about the massive molars belonging to Paranthropus, a mysterious relative in our human family tree that's got us buzzing with curiosity. Get ready to uncover a hidden chapter in human history. The massive molars found at the Nyanga site are giving us major clues about Paranthropus, our fascinating and mysterious cousin. These teeth aren't just any ordinary chompers. Their rugged design tells us that they were built for taking down tough or fibrous foods. We're talking plant-based powerhouses here. The unique shape and structure of these molars suggest that Paranthropus had a specialized diet rich in vegetation, maybe even munching on super fibrous plants that would make our salad days look tame. This discovery is shaking up what we thought we knew about early hominin diversity and adaptations. It's like finding a new piece to the human puzzle. Buckle up for a thrilling discovery that's rewriting human history books. Researchers at the Smithsonian and City University of New York have made a groundbreaking find: ancient Paranthropus humans weren't just plant eaters, but also skilled hunter-gatherers. The game-changing study, led by a team of rockstar scientists, reveals that these early humans used stone tools to take down prey, and it's not just about the meat. By analyzing the dental anatomy of these fossils, we're getting a glimpse into their diet, which was likely rich in veggies and tough plant materials. The NYU team, led by Dr. Shara Bailey, made a major contribution with their analysis of the newly discovered molar spoor, and it turns out they're not just any molars. They're the oldest Paranthropus remains ever found. But that's not all. The study also uncovers a treasure trove of stone tools at the Nyanga site, including percussive tools, cores, and flakes. These ancient artifacts, discovered over 800 miles from Ethiopia, are expanding our understanding of where and when Oldowan technology originated. It's a major milestone in human history. Folks, get ready to have your mind blown. Get ready for a major shift in our understanding of early human ancestors. This study is all about how resourceful and adaptable they were when it came to using stone tools. By analyzing the patterns on these ancient tools and animal bones at Nyanga, we're seeing that they didn't just have one trick up their sleeve. They used them for everything from processing plants to cracking open bones to get that delicious marrow inside. It's clear that our ancient relatives were masters of making do with what they had, using these versatile tools for all sorts of tasks. But here's where it gets really exciting. The study also challenges a long-held assumption about who was behind the creation of stone tools in the first place. Traditionally, we thought it was the Homo genus, our own human family tree. But now, with evidence of Paranthropus using these tools alongside them, we're forced to ask some big questions. Did other human lineages have tool-making abilities too? How did they compare to our own ancestors? It's a game changer for understanding the diversity and complexity of early human societies. Hold on to your seat. We're diving deeper into the world of ancient tool technology. You might be thinking, what makes Oldowan tools so special? Well, it all comes down to their unique shape and the way they were made. When you've got an angular or oval core, hitting it with a hammer stone creates sharp-edged flakes that can be used for everything from cutting to scraping. This process, called percussion flaking, was a total game changer for our early ancestors. Think of it like having a superpower tool kit at their fingertips. Rick Potts, the researcher behind this study, calls these tools an evolutionary leap because they basically revolutionized the way ancient humans interacted with their environment. With Oldowan tech, our ancestors could crush tough materials and cut through food more efficiently than some of the savanna's top predators. We're talking elephant molars and lion canines. This meant a huge increase in the variety of foods available to them, allowing for greater resource exploitation and a more diverse diet. But there's even more to uncover about these ancient tool masters. You guys, buckle up. We've just unearthed some seriously mind-blowing stuff. While we're still digging into the world of Oldowan tools, let's talk about the incredible find in South Africa that's been turning heads in the scientific community. Deep inside a cave, researchers stumbled upon an astonishing 15 partial skeletons belonging to a mysterious species called Homo naledi, and this is no small discovery. We're talking the largest collection of ancient human remains ever found on the African continent. Now, what really gets us excited about Homo naledi is its one-of-a-kind mix of traits. It's got some seriously human-like qualities, but also some pretty ape-like features too. This unique blend makes it a potential missing link in our understanding of how humans evolved over time. But here's where things get even more intriguing. The cave where these remains were found has revealed an ancient burial chamber, suggesting that Homo naledi might have had ritualistic behavior. We thought this was exclusive to modern humans, but it looks like we've got some serious rethinking to do. Get ready for a major shift in our understanding of human history. The discovery of Homo naledi is turning everything we thought we knew about early humans on its head. According to Professor Lee Berger, the mastermind behind this groundbreaking research at Witwatersrand University in Johannesburg, these findings are huge. And I'm not just talking about the number of skeletons found. By uncovering a species that's got both modern human-like features and some seriously primitive traits, we're forced to rethink our linear view of human evolution. You know, that classic from apes to humans narrative. Yeah, it's time to add some serious complexity to that story. Homo naledi is like the ultimate game changer, a species that's got us reevaluating what sophistication and culture meant for early hominins. Professor Berger says this discovery paints a much more intricate and diverse picture of our ancient human family tree. And trust me, you won't want to miss the next chapter. Buckle up, folks. The Homo naledi discovery is like a major plot twist in our human evolution story. It's blowing apart that simple from apes to humans narrative and revealing a much more epic tale of complexity and diversity. Think of it like a mosaic art piece. You've got these human-like traits, like big brain power, side by side with more ancient features, like skeletal structures from our early ancestors. This mix-up is not just fascinating, it's forcing us to rethink how humans evolved over time. Instead of a straight line from ape to human, we're now looking at a rich tapestry of species and characteristics that all contributed to who we are today. And if you think this is just about our ancient ancestors, hold on. Recent findings in the Sahara region have uncovered evidence of the earliest domesticated animals in Africa, dating back around 7,000 to 6,000 years ago. This was during a time called the Neolithic Subpluvial, when the desert got a whole lot greener due to more humid conditions. It's like we're uncovering secrets from our ancient past, one surprising discovery at a time. Get ready for the next chapter in our human evolution story. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ancient Africa, where archaeologists have uncovered clues about the dawn of animal domestication. We're talking rock art and fossilized remains that paint a picture of early humans taming animals like cattle, sheep, and goats, a major milestone marking the transition from hunting and gathering to farming and raising livestock. As these societies began herding animals, their way of life started changing dramatically, influencing everything from how they fed themselves to their social hierarchies. But here's the mind-blowing part. Despite having no direct connection to us, these ancient humans were just as advanced as we are today. They had similar brain power and problem-solving skills. It's almost like they were our ancestors in all but name. So, what happened? Why did they disappear without a trace? The mystery of their vanishing act is still unsolved, leaving us with even more questions about the intricate story of human evolution. Now it's your turn. What do you think?